Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 303. And if we start with this box, we're just missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 1, 5. And no help here, 1, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so 2, 5, 2, 5. And that means that our 8 for that column has to be here. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 4, 8. 3 here, so 4, 8. 3, wait, we can't be missing a 5 here. We're missing 3, 4, 8, and 9. Okay. So that 3 here means that this could be 4, 8, or 9. 3 here, 8 here, so 4, 9. 4 here, 8 here, so 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 5. We've got 1, 3, and 5 covering this box, so this is our 2. That 1 and 5 means this is our 3. We can get rid of this 3. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9, and I don't see any help, so 6, 9, 6, 9. And if we look at this box, the only place the 3 can be is here. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 2, 5, and 6 here, so this is our 8. 5 and 6 here, so this is our 2. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box now, we're just missing a 6. For this row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 5, so that means the only place the 7 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 2 here, so 4, 5. No help here, 1, 2, 4, 5. 4 here, so 1, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 2, 5. 1 and 5 here, so 2, 9. 1 and 2 here, so 5, 9. If we look at that row now, the only place the 1 can be is here. That 1 makes this our 5, 1, 5. We can get rid of this 5, and this 5. So that makes this our 4. And we can get rid of this 4. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. And I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. Up, we do have a 9 here, so 2, 6. And with that 9, we can get rid of this 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 6. We've got the 5 here, so 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, and 5 here. So this is our 6. That 3 and 4 makes this our 5. I don't see any other help, so this would be 3, 4, and we can get rid of this 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 4, 1. That 4 makes this our 8, 9, 3, 4, 3. For this column now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering here and an 8 covering here, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 9. Now we need to go back and look. This 1 makes this our 2, 1. That 2 makes this our 6, 9, 2, 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. And that 2 makes this our 5 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.